So the first thing you do when you log in is to register for the semester. I somehow may have done that already. That's why you're saying you are registered for current semester. You get. Ordinarily, you have to go to your registry or just go straight to register my courses and you will see. Sorry, go to my courses and you will see that you have not registered for it. To take question you to tell you register for the semester before you proceed. But before you do that, the first thing is to fund your wallet. This wallet has been funded, and because you've registered for the semester, the balance remaining is 36. So depends on the amount for your course. Okay, so under this link, you register courses. After registration of courses, the next thing you will do is you register those courses for exams. You get. Then after registering for exams, you print the course slip and then the exam slip, both of them. You use course slip to collect course materials at your study center. If actually you need them, you can also download them online. You use the exam slip to write exams at the study centers or online. You have to present something to show that you have registered those courses you want to write. That's it. You print the two slips, the exam slip and registration slip. If you want to take part virtually, for exams, you go for registration for that. You fill in your details and register. That's it. Okay. This person told me that he would be writing 7 courses this semester, even though he has about 9. So let me see the 9 he's talking about. I think I see more than 9, but I will just register. There are so many undone courses here. Okay. Let me chat him up again. But how you do your registration simply is you select them. Select the courses. These are the 3 core courses for him this semester, and there's one elective. You must register at least one, either this or this. So I'll have to ask him which one he would like to register, or I'll just do it myself. But coming back here, there are still some other core courses that he has not registered. You understand this? And the more you select, the more it tells you how much that would cost. You can see 15,000 and 18 units. Remaining how many units to complete? 6. So, assuming, okay, he said maximum of 7. So, I think I've even selected more than that. These are 9 courses. Which means I'll have to keep some aside and then. So, after that, you submit. That's all. The same process, that's what you use for exams registration. It's not difficult. When you click submit, it brings out this, says the token has been sent to your NOUN student email address. Send it within 20 minutes. That's the procedure. The same thing happens when you want to register for exams. The token will be sent. Your email address is just your matric number at noun.edu.ng. So, and your default password is your matric number in small letters. You get. So most cases, if there's any issue, you use support platform to contact them. If you cannot have access, you go here. If you cannot have access to your email, you go to the support platform, report it. They will give you your password. It's easy.